Today, I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you guys. So when I checked out after my last box, which I think was a very good box, they went ahead and waived the styling fee again. So I did a back-to-back box. So let's see what is inside of this box together. And this box feels a little bit heavier than my previous boxes have felt. So if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a styling subscription service. You can customize whenever you want your styling box to be received. And I do have a referral link in the description box. If you guys want to click on that referral link, it will give you $25 off of your first box, which would cover the styling fee, which is a $20 styling fee, which you will get back if you do decide to purchase anything from the box. Then that will go toward that purchase. And then they do have a style preview where you can preview some of the things that your stylist will pick out, up to 5 items. Actually, the last few times they've told me that I could pick up to 8 items on there, but they will send you 5 items. If you get all 5 items, you'll get a 25% discount. So the first thing you'll see in your box is the package that's pre-printed to send anything back you don't want. And then you'll have the paper that shows notes from your stylist and how much everything is with the total. And it looks like I still have my same stylist, Jasmine, which I love her. She has been so good since she started styling my boxes. So let's see what's in the bundle. It's a big one, you guys. So here it is. Oh, I see some faux leather that makes me so excited. I think there was quite a few things from the style preview that I might have liked, maybe 4. So maybe 4 of the 5 things I already know what I'm getting. So the first thing is this top from Beacon Apparel. It is the Harmony cowl neck blouse in black, size medium, so sleeveless. So this looks like maybe a good blouse to wear under some layering pieces. And then this is one of the things that I did pick from the style preview, and I've had this saved on my profile as well. It's from Mocha, and it is the faux leather jacket in dark green. I love that it has these little stretch panels on the side, so give it a little bit more movement. And this green is gorgeous. And then this blazer feels so nice. It is from Skies Are Blue, the soft tunic blazer in magenta. So definitely a very soft feeling material. Love the color. And then something purple. So this is from Daniel Rain. I saw this one in the preview and I did pick it too. It's got a really nice silky lining. So this is the Daniel Rain Dallery knit blazer in dark purple. Love the color. So we'll see how that is. I've never known of a Daniel Rain blazer, so we'll see how that fits. And then the last thing looks like some bottoms from Dictionary. It is the Rain High Rise wide leg pants in black. I like that seaming detail in the front. And then yes, they do have a really nice wide leg. Let's see, I wonder what the inseam is gonna be on these. So these are in a size medium, and hopefully they won't be too long. So let me get everything tried on for you guys. So here's look number 1. This is that blazer from Skies Are Blue that's in that magenta color. I do like the length of this one. It's kind of just an open front, and I think it feels really nice. So the sleeves are already stitched cuffed, which is the perfect length for me. And I just think I like it. So it kind of looks like a cardigan, but it's a blazer, and it's got that Air Essentials feel. If you're familiar with the Air Essentials from Spanx, it's got that kind of feel to it. And I love that it has these top pockets. So I'm loving this color. And then I have it on with this cowl neck top. So this is more like a dressier blouse. So it has that cowl neck, so nothing real close to my neck because I don't like anything really tight on it. And then these pants are the wide leg pants from Dictionary. They're just a pull on style. They do have these front pockets. They feel really nice. Now they're a little bit long, so I have these probably with 2-inch shoes, and they're still kind of on the ground. So I'm gonna have to try to find some probably 3-inch to wear with these because I like how they fit. They've got a really nice wide leg. Love this pull-on style, and I think that, you know, these will look good with all of the layering jackets that she sent in this box. So far, I'm loving all 3 of these pieces. So this is the Skies Are Blue soft tunic blazer, $88. And then the top is the West K Harmony cowl neck blouse. I thought that the tag said this was from Beacon Apparel, so I'm not sure. But it's $39 for the cowl neck top. And then the pants are from Dictionary, and they are $49, so not a bad price. So that's the pricing on these, and then I'm just gonna switch out the 2 other jackets and blazers that I have to match just with this cowl neck top and the black pants. So next up is that faux leather jacket. Now it does have these zippers here on the bottom, but the sleeves are always too long for me in jackets. So I did roll it up twice, and so it hides that zipper detail on here, but I think that it looks a little bit better in the sleeves if I do roll it up. I love this green color. This dark green color is so pretty. So the zipper detail is nice. What do you guys think? I think it fits good because I have plenty of room even if I zip it. And I know I have a thinner top under this, but that's probably what I'll wear anyways, a thinner top. But I do think this is a little dark for me, so I would probably switch up the blouse that's under it, maybe something colorful, maybe even a burgundy color on that, and then I might even keep it with the pants, or I might even put some denim on. But what do you guys think about the sleeves? Should I roll them up or keep them down to show that zipper detail? So this is the Mocha leather, faux leather jacket, and it is $78. So many things I want to say about this blazer. So I do have this buttoned, it's in a size medium, it's got these top pockets, and this lining feels so nice and smooth. So it's like a silky lining, and it does have this venting in the back. It has a little bit of texture to it. Let me show you that close up. See that texture? But this color is gorgeous. I love this dark purple color. Again, this whole outfit kind of looks dark. This is how she suggested me style all these layering pieces, but I might lighten that up with maybe even a white under this, and probably put this on with some denim. But what do you guys think about this one? I think it feels so nice. I love the texture, and I just love this color so much. So this is from Daniel Rain, and this blazer is $94. It's a little bit pricey. So the total for everything in this box is $348. I didn't have a styling fee because they did waive that. And then the buy all discount to get 25% off would take $87 off. So for all the items in this box, $261. So that is a pair of trouser pants, and then like a really nice sleeveless blouse to wear with under all of your layering pieces, and then 2 blazers and a faux leather jacket, all for $261. So what do you guys think? To me, this is a 5 out of 5 box. I think I'm gonna keep everything out of this box. Just let me know your thoughts, you guys. I would love to hear from you. I think this is Stitch Fix box number, I think it's 62. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.